All right, I'm Miss Ewell, and I have been at Gordon Parks for 8 years, and I teach middle school math and language arts.
Hi, welcome to Room 205. I'm Michelle Hange. This is my 3rd year of teaching math at Gordon Parks Academy. I'm excited to get to know each and every one of you, whether you're going to be in person or virtual. One of the best things about math here at Gordon Parks Academy is our Jack and Jill door, where you will get to meet my amazing math partner, Mrs. Holland. Hey Holland, you forgot this.
Thanks, Hangy. Hi, I'm Alicia Holland, and I'm so excited to begin my 3rd year teaching math here at Gordon Parks Academy with my twin, Michelle Hangy, next door. While this year will be different than most, I'm so excited to see familiar faces and get to learn the new. Enjoy the last few weeks of summer and come ready to learn. Hey, Thompson, you forgot your coffee.
Holy Toledo. Thanks, Holland. Hi, I'm Alicia Thompson. This is my 3rd year here at Gordon Parks Academy. I teach language arts to 6th and 8th grade. And some of you may know me, some of you may not, but I can't wait to get to see all of you again. Oh, this is Miss Carter's. Hey, Miss Carter.
Thanks, Miss Thompson. My name is Miss Carter, and I will be teaching 6th and 7th grade language arts here at Gordon Parks this year. Even though it's my 1st year at GPA, it is my 21st year as an educator, and I'm so excited to be here. Oh, I have Miss Thomas's globe. I need to go ahead and give that to her.
Thanks, Miss Carter. Hey guys, I'm Simone Thomas. I'm your social studies teacher this year for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, and I am so excited. I have been here at Gordon Parks Academy for 13 years, and I'm so happy to be here. We're going to be doing some wonderful things, whether you are in person or remote. So I look forward to meeting you guys in a couple weeks. Hey, Miss Deal, come back.
Thanks, Thomas.
All right, my name is Miss Deal. I teach 6th, 7th, and 8th grade science, and I can't wait to see everyone back here.